Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and just had my 4-year anniversary of being full-time in my Class C RV with my martial arts cat Ninja, 99% of the time boondocking. So we've got a little adventure going on today in town in Flagstaff. First one's going to be at Sounds Good Mobile, which is a stereo and alarm shop. They did my alarm and they put in my stereo, but every time the stereo's plugged in, my dash lights flicker and flash like it's got a short. So they ordered another component, came in, and I'm here today in about 10 minutes when they open to see if they can install it. For 3 weeks now, when the radio's been out, haven't had any problem. As soon as that radio gets plugged in, something's shorting out. Anyway, I want to hit the Walmart today just to grab a couple of things in the automotive section based on some new information, stuff I found out. Basically, how to clean up these plastic soft top windows. So kind of excited to get that and try it. But as you can see, I still have the back window duct taped up because I haven't fixed the zipper yet. So I'm hoping when I get back to camp this afternoon, it'll still be a nice sunny day like it's supposed to. High of like 58 degrees Fahrenheit. And I could start pulling apart the soft top to take the tension off that zipper and try to get the zipper undone. So besides that, we're going to do laundry today. It's that once a month laundry time. That's always exciting, sitting in a parking lot for 2 hours while clothes get washed and dried. And then I think there's a couple of packages for me. So come along. At the end, I think you'll see some exciting stuff in those packages. And I did all my pre-employment paperwork today. I start on Monday, and now we're doing laundry. Fun, life of a nomad. The only problem is waiting for someone to come give me the key to the bathroom. Okay. Also stopped at Tractor Supply Company to top off one of my propane tanks. Okay. Packages in the car. Propane tank up front. Get back to camp. I'm going to put all this away. Basically, they have told me that the radio has no shorts. It's perfect. That it's got to be the Jeep's electrical system. That worked fine for months until I put in the radio. But anyway, I mounted it back up here, and so far I haven't had any issues. So who knows? This was a non-used red hot wire that had the wire sticking out, and I cut it off. And who knows? Who knows? So when we get back to camp, put the dash back together and undo the roof, see if I can fix my zipper. Okay, stopped for a couple of adult beverages at Circle K. It is Friday night, and so me and Ninja are going to get a little crazy. Got a lot of stuff to do, but even if I don't get it done, I got Saturday and Sunday before I start my 40-hour-a-week job, and I hope it's fun. So get this. Remember I told you this had wire exposed, and I used my knife to cut it off? Well, on the way back to camp, I just shoved this down in here, and the thing was smoking. Look at that black. This is what wants power, but they bypassed this and spliced in somewhere in the line to get power. But this thing, anytime it's touching metal, apparently is burning and smoking. Calling the radio store now after I unload the Jeep. Well, I got the top down. Sprayed some dry lube. It's all right. I'm going to wipe this off here in a little bit. And I got it zipped up going that way. Now I got to come up from here. But as you can see, I got like some bent teeth I'm going to have to work on. Well, it may, oh no. Oh no. Well, it may not be perfect. In the upper left-hand corner, there's about 4 inches that I couldn't get the zipper to connect to. But I did almost eliminate the need for the pool noodle. I'm going to leave it on for now. And we'll see. We'll have to see what happens in the next rain. If I missed anywhere. I swear it sounds like a frog over here. But I've been up since 8 a.m. It's like 3 now. I've had a long day. Time to go in. Yeah, that is a frog. Weird. Okay, box number 1 is the Mopica Pro Check Barbecue Sonar Tank Monitor. I thought there were 2, but I guess you really only need 1 at a time. So basically you download an app. This goes under your propane tank, magnetically attaches to the bottom. Sonar reads within plus or minus 1% of the actual tank level. So we're going to put this on here in a few minutes. I did pay for this myself, and I'll let you know how it turns out. And I've been wanting to get one of these for a while now. This is a stalwart automotive product for your car, truck, SUV. Look at this quality storage bag it comes with. Rugged construction. It's a 12-volt electric blankie. So now that I have the 320 amp hour lithium battery, I think I could probably run this for a few hours at night. So gonna hook it up and check it out. So here's the magnetic part. The black part is the sensor. They do want you to apply a pea-size amount of this sonic grease, dielectric grease, to help with the connection here to the tank. So I'm going to put it on the top of that, download the app, sync it up, and then go install it outside. So I threw on the sensor, didn't clean or wipe the bottom at all. Big mistake. It wasn't giving me a signal. So I went back out with paper towels, cleaned the bottom of the tank, cleaned all the mud off the sensor, and it came with 3 little spacers to put on the bottom ring just to raise it up a 1/4 of an inch or so. And I threw those on, and let's go test out the electric blankie. So, I think I remember buying this exact same blanket like 3 years ago and returned it. So right off the bat, I plugged it in. You see the couple of outlets there on the bottom right. The one that's bright red is for the heating blanket. It does not have any temperature adjustments or on-off. So right away, don't like that. Then the reviews, many of them, I reread and said it barely gets warm. I've had it plugged in now with the generator running for like 30 minutes. It's drawing juice, like 50 watts an hour, and the light's on, but it is not even getting warm. So, get what you pay for, 20 bucks. I'm going to send it back and get a good quality one. Okay, let's take a look at the before and after. I'm going to be cleaning the soft top back window, and I'll go ahead and use some Simple Green and paper towels to get off the bulk of the dirt. A little wipe down inside. I bought 25 pack of cheap soft towels, shop towels. And here's what we're gonna be using. McGuire's Plast X. Now, the instructions and the purpose of these were really for headlights. And I probably will do my headlights just to check it out. But I saw a couple of YouTube channels that use this on the Jeep soft top. So we're going to be putting it on, wiping it off. Wax on, wax off. Maybe you saw me in that movie. That was me, Ralph. Look it up. So I'm going to go inside here and wipe down the top. Then I'm going to do half of it and show you that in a little bit. Okay, wax on. Now let's wax off. Okay, definitely made a difference. But that little guy's like $9 for that bottle. Yeah, I guess it's worth it. Now we're going to do this side. So the first time in over a month, the dash is put back together. Thank goodness. Now what's funny is yesterday I showed you that red wire that used to have the inside exposed. So I'm sure that was touching and shorting everything out. Well, yesterday at the radio shop, I cut that. And then even with just the covering of that wire showing, it started smoking while touching the metal up here. I've since put electrical black tape all around it, secured it. So thanks for watching. Hope you had a little entertainment out of this. And remember, black cats are evil. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.